The engine bay of the 2014-2019 C7 Corvette is a golden opportunity for customizers and car show goers. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to install a premium 304 stainless steel cover for your C7 Corvette's ABS brake system. To begin, start with standard rubbing alcohol applied liberally to a paper towel. Wipe down the black rigid pipes coming out of the top of the ABS unit until clean. Next, open your provided adhesive promoter and squeeze out the excess. Wipe down the rigid pipes with the promoter. It's okay if the chemical dries quickly. You will not need to apply more. Your stainless steel cover comes with Velcro attached. Peel the Velcro from the underside of the cover, making sure to leave the bottom half adhered to the cover itself. Peel off the clear plastic adhesive liner and install across the top of the pipes horizontally, wrapping the Velcro under and pressing firmly to ensure a solid bond. You're now ready to install your cover. With the shorter end facing towards the engine, insert the cover by lifting the air capacitor. Once the short end is under the air capacitor, lower the larger half of the cover down onto the Velcro. Now that your stainless steel ABS cover is installed, you can remove the blue protective liner that has been installed at the factory to protect your part.